और मैं निशांत हूँ।
हम आपको मनोरंजन चैनल के विशेष एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत करते हैं। आज का एपिसोड भारतीय महिलाओं के बारे में है।
हम दोनों पत्रकार हैं जो विभिन्न जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देश भर जाते हैं।
आपने सही कहा निशांत। आज हम महिला शक्तिकरण के बारे में एक यात्रा पर जाने वाले हैं, इसलिए तैयार हो जाइए दोस्तों।
तो चलिए उस व्यक्ति को साक्षात्कार करते हैं।
हेलो सर, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम? Well, we want answers to only a couple of questions asked. What do you think about women empowerment?
Do you want to say any more?
But is Kalpana Chawla the only woman known for women empowerment in the field of science and research?
But I know about Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. What can we do for that?
सभी को नमस्कार। मैं श्यामो, मैं एक आविष्कार हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को समय पर वापस जाने में मदद करूँगा।
ये तो बहुत सी बड़ी बात है, लेकिन कैसे?
मैंने और मेरे सहायक हिरेश ने टाइम मशीन बनाया है जो समय में मध्याह्न से यात्रा कर सकता है।
What's happening? There are a lot of people over here.
Now we have reached the place where Padma Shri Award was given to Indira Hinduja, considering her contribution to medical science and serving.
Thank you all. I'm happy and honored that a big award has been conferred on me. I would like to continue the work that I have done to the whole nation throughout my life.
I have a question to ask.
Yeah, please proceed.
Can you please give a brief introduction on yourself and your contribution?
Yes. So I'm Hindra Hinduja, who is an Indian gynecologist, obstetrician and infertility specialist based in Mumbai. I had obtained PhD degree for my thesis entitled Human in Vitro Fertilization and Embryo Transfer from Bombay University. I'm full-time practicing obstetrician and gynecologist of the PD Hinduja Hospital, Mahim, West Bombay.
Are there any other?
Yeah, I pioneered the gamete intrafallopian transfer technique, which is the GIFT technique, resulting in the birth of the first India's GIFT baby on 4th January 1988.
Then what about your achievements?
So I have received Young Indian Award on 1987, Outstanding Lady Citizen of Maharashtra State JIC Award on 1987, Bharat Nirman Award for Talented Ladies on 1994, International Women's State Award by Mayor of Bombay on 1995 and 2000, Lifetime Achievement Award by Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecological Society of India on 1999, the Mantri Award by the Governor of Maharashtra on 2000, and now I have received Padma Shri Award from the Government of India. I just want to add something. Balika aham balika, navyog janita aham balika, nabala durbala adi shakti aham ambika. Meaning, I'm a girl of modern times. I'm not feeble or powerless. I'm Adi Shakti, I am Ambika.
That was a great history. Now, let's move on to meet other people as well. Anyway, I thank Dr. Indira Hinduja for responding in apple pie order. And now, let's move on to meet Tessie Thomas. In the year 2018, that's when she received the Thomas Cannon Leadership Award at the Faculty of Management Studies, Institute of Rural Management, Jaipur.
Stacey Thomas. Wow, she has received the Dr. Thomas Kagan Leadership Award. Can you please give a brief introduction on yourself?
Yeah, I'm Tessie Thomas, an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical System and the former project director for Agni 4 missile. In Defense Research and Development Organization, I am the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India.
But how did you gain interest in aeronautical engineering?
I was born in April 1963 in Alappuzha, Kerala. I grew up near Tumba Rocket Launching Station and I had fascination with rockets and missiles then. I was stimulated even by the wonderment of aircraft flying.
Then what?
I grew up with the pretty backwaters of Kerala as my backyard. I guess nature gives you the strength and good thoughts. The power of nature cannot be undermined in one's development.
What about your achievements?
I had received the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for my contribution for making India self-reliant in the field of missile technology in 2012 and the Dr. Thomas Calgon Leadership Award at the Faculty of Management Studies, Institute of Rural Management now.
That was a great history. Do you want to say anything more?
I would like to say something. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramte thara devata. Yatrastu na pujyante sarasta tha halaha krishya.
I think now you guys recognize the time need to travel, and now let's move on to meet Kalpana Chawla in the year 2003.
I am euphoric and cherished to receive this distinguished service medal. I am sure that I will continue with my progress.
Can you please give a brief talk about your great journey?
Yes, I am Kalpana Chawla, an American astronaut, engineer and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. I first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and the primary robotic arm operator.
Then, what about your career?
In 1988, I began working at NASA Ames Research Center where I did computational fluid dynamics research on vertical, short takeoff and landing concepts. Much of my research is included in technical journals and conference papers.
And how about your first space mission?
My first space mission began on November 19, 1997 as a part of the 6th astronaut crew that flew the Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. I was the first Indian woman to fly in space. A 5-month NASA investigation fully exonerated me by identifying errors in software, prefaces, and the defined procedures of the flight crew and ground control.
You have a great talent. Then, what about your achievements?
I would give a gist of the great awards that I received. 2 of them are the NASA Distinguished Space Flight Medal and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. I would also like to add something. Rashtrasya shvah nari asti, nari rashtrasya akshi asti, nari mata asti, nari kanya asti, nari bhagini asti, nari samajasya kushal vastukara asti. Meaning, woman is the tomorrow of nation, woman is the eye of the nation, woman is mother, woman is daughter, woman is sister, woman is everything. Woman is also the perfect architect of the society.
And now, let's go to meet Aditi Pant.
ये क्या है? यहाँ बहुत से लोग मधुमक्खियाँ के छत्ते की तरह हैं.
यह वह जगह है जहाँ पुरस्कार समारोह हो रहा है.
Thank you all. I'm very glad to have been conferred with such a prestigious award. I make sure that our nation stands first in the field of oceanography.
Dr. Aditi Pant, can you please talk about yourself and your work?
I am Dr. Aditi Pant and I am Indian oceanographer. I was the first Indian woman to reach or visit Antarctica. Alongside geologist Sudipta Sengupta in 1983 as a part of the Indian Antarctic program. At this time, women were not permitted to receive a reputable education. I overcame the barriers and have become a role model to all aspiring women scientists.
That was a great history. But what about your career?
Due to financial constraints, my advanced education abroad was not easy to obtain. So, it was a joyous event when I got a US government grant to the University of Hawaii in 1990. After 17 years of working with the NIO, I moved to Pune to work at the National Chemical Laboratory. Here I studied the enzymology of salt-tolerant and salt-loving microbes involved in the food chain. I have held prominent positions at institutions including the National Institute of Oceanography, National Chemical Laboratory, University of Pune, and Maharashtra Academy of Sciences.
Then, at last, what about your achievements in the field of oceanography?
I am the owner of 5 patents and over 67 publications in international journals. I have been honored with the Antarctica Award by the Government of India of my contributions to the Indian Academy program now.
I think it was a great story and this would be never ending. So let's move on to our present time.
मुझे लगता है कि आज हमने विज्ञान और अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में महिलाओं के साथ साथ महिला शक्तिकरण के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा है। तो हम आप सभी को वंडर वुमन के अगले एपिसोड में देखेंगे। अब मैं एक संस्कृत श्लोक के साथ समाप्त करता हूँ। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शांति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धा रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः। धन्यवाद।